my channel. Super excited you made it here today. Today we're going to be doing this really beautiful sunset smoky eyes situation. I am super digging it. I think it's beautiful and I'm trying to get as many bright and fun colors in as I can before the end of summer, so this is what spoke me today. If you want to see how to get this look, please keep watching. Okay, we are going to start with the BH Cosmetics palette it doesn't have a name, but it's this pink color here. And just get that all over my eye. It's the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Also, if you notice, no more green walls. My office is coming together so nicely. We just have a few more decorations to get for the rest of the house. It's all very exciting. Next, we're going to go in with this dark purpley shade here. And I know this one isn't super pigmented, so I'll probably go in with a different palette in a second. But I'm just going to get the general. More pigmented than I remember. But it's more of a hot pink than a purple. Next, I'm going to take my Urban Decay Born to Run palette with this purple shade here, and it's called Hell Ride. That's definitely more of a purple shade, which is perfect. Next, I am going in with this red shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and a very tiny brush and going directly into my crease with that. I'm feeling all kinds of sunset vibes. Alright, and just continually going in further in my eye space here. I'm going to pick this orange color up. it's a little too powdery for me. I'm gonna make the other eye match, but I'm gonna go over top of it with a more substantial orange. It's not terrible, but it's just kind of me. I'm going with the color Secure from the Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection, Armed and Gorgeous. Okay, and I'm going to touch the center of this with the yellow shade Access. I'm going to go over top of that with the BH Cosmetics bright yellow shade here. And to top it off, I'm going to go over with the gold shade. Patting that on just right there in the center. So pretty. I'm just going to run my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Cottage Cheese on my waterline. And the same VIP shade that's been on repeat as my inner corner. Just really giving an extra oomph by doing that cottage cheese shade as like a sticky base. Now I need to pop lashes on, so I'm going to throw them on. And I'm going to use my Eyelure Marquee Silk Effect lashes, and I will pop this on and be right back. Okay, lashes are on, and I think it looks just like a beautiful sunset, and I'm pretty stoked about it. So last things last, we are going to do lipstick. So I'm combining two different lips today. I have my BH Cosmetics Liquid Linen in Martha, and it's just a really light nude liquid lipstick that I've been really enjoying lately. And I'm going to top it with the Bite Beauty French Press Lip Gloss in Flat White. And this is a really light pinky nude, which looks kind of like concealer lips at first, but once it dries down and you add a gloss, it looks a lot better. I promise. It's perfect. It's like the perfect nude. That combo with, so that liquid lip with either this gloss or my Dose of Colors gloss in Can You Not have been my two go-to nude lips lately. I'm really digging it. So this is the final look. I really appreciate it. I hope that you learned something new and cool today and enjoyed watching this how-to on this sunset smoky eye. I know I've been doing a lot of these bright pink colors lately, but it's just been my jam coming into fall, so I hope that you enjoy it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, what you want to see next. If you are wanting some Chatty Get Ready with me's or more tutorial styles, let me know that as well, and I'll be sure to get some of those out for you. So have an awesome rest of your week and weekend, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys!